Hello, Jase. How much does it cost to create a self-publishing business that makes you money? In this video, I'm going to break down exactly how much it costs based on my actual students, what they're doing right now to make money on self-publishing. What I'm doing right now, this is up-to-date information, 8th of July, 2026. This is how much it's going to cost you, okay? Right, so let's begin. So let's just say... let's just do this. Let's just say this is the baseline. This is like zero cost. Okay. This is you making money from your self-publishing. This is you. I've done it red, but let's not say red because I don't think you lose money because you're investing. You're learning something every single time. I'm learning. I don't think we should call it losing money. I'm going to do that as a nice light blue. Investing money. Okay. How much money do you need to invest upfront in order to get this, your self-publishing Amazon KDP account making you passive income every single month? Okay, right. So let's start with the book. Now, firstly, Amazon KDP account is free, so you're done. All right, you got that for free. Let's start with a book because you need an asset, which is your book. How much does it cost to create a book right now? Zero. This is nuts. Okay, literally. Just 2 months ago, about 2-3 months ago, it would cost you I'd say about $20 a month with a subscription, AI subscription, in order to create a good cover. Now, ChatGPT is doing the best book covers you can ever create, and it's doing it for free. So we're at a time now we can create a really good book for free. Obviously, you need to know which customer to do, how to do your titles and that, but the actual book, you can do it for free. So we're at a good time now, guys. So now's a good time to get on it. All right, so just imagine here, we've got one book and you're still at zero cost in terms of money. Right. Now, here comes your first investment. We need to put ads on the book. Now, some of my students get organic sales, but I would always recommend you build your system around ads because one, you want to get your book out there to the right people, and with ads you have control over this. And two, it's a what do you call it? Not sustainable. It's a smart way to build your business around. It's realistic. You're not being naive. By spending money on ads, you're saying that you're taking this serious. You want to invest in that book and put it out there amongst all the people on Amazon. Like everyone else, it kind of levels the playing field. So you're not down here waiting for organic traffic. You're up there with everyone else that's paying for ads. Right, so you're taking it serious. Okay, so I would say use ads, but here's the good news. How much do you actually need to spend? You only need to spend $20 because $20 equals 20 clicks. And within 20 clicks, you're going to know if a book's good enough. If you're getting sales within 20 clicks, then you know you're onto something. You know you've done something right. Okay. If you don't get any sales in 20 clicks, then what you do now is you go back and you change something with the book. It could be the cover, could be the title, or it could be the niche. You need to completely switch niches. Okay. And then you try it again with another $20. So if you think $20 can buy you a serious test on your book to actually test it to real customers, it's a small price to pay. So if you think about $20, you can get one book making that every single day, let alone monthly or whatever. Like one book can easily make you $20. I price my books, my students price our books about $6 to $7 per book. Like that's our royalties. So if you get free sales within the first 20 clicks, then you're actually up $1 profit on every 20 clicks. And then if it continues, organic traffic starts coming in and taking some sales as well, then that's when you build sales up quickly. Just like my student here just did, Genevieve, who's just made nearly $2,000 profit. She's following my program. I'll leave a link below. That's the program she started with right there. Just keeps doing it over and over again. She's in the right niche, got the right customer, good titles, good covers, and she's testing the book. And now she's up to, on her second month, I believe, $2,000 in the second month. Just doing the same thing over and over again with a variety of books. Okay, so that's the way you do it. The book's free. just make sure you've got a good cover, title, and you've got the right customer. Get that right. If you need help with any of that, it's in my program. And then make sure you test it and be prepared to spend $20. But come on, $20 is like very low investment for what you can potentially get. Because remember, that one book, if it's at $7 profit, it's making you profit on ads. Then you are literally set up, because it will just keep selling, building up organic sales, and then an organic sale gives you $7 profit, full stop. There is no spend on that. So you can imagine how it all builds up. Okay, short video today, guys. Kind of short. Thanks for watching. Remember to give me a little like and subscribe. If you want more help on finding your customer, exactly how to find a good niche, I'll leave a video to my niche gold mine. I'll leave a link to the video from my niche gold mine video. You know what I mean. It's right there.